you have it. That is how you remove your 2002 Dodge Ram 1500 spare. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. See you on the next one. I know this one's a little bit short and it's been a while since I posted, but you know, I'll be trying to upload as many videos as I can from here on out, probably at least once every 2 weeks, twice every, once a week or something like that. Just depends on how many car jobs I get and all of that jazz. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.